Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. I'm joined by D55.
Portman, how's it? Young man King of Prime. First things first, Prime.
Sure.
Congratulations to Mr. Navi and Orlando Pirates for winning the game.
Yeah.
Even though today we didn't win the way it's Funuguna corner, we played over 90 minutes in the Durban City.
Sure.
By the way, Durban City is just a city, Brian.
It's just a city.
Durban City is just a city. Yeah, there is nothing special about them. Durban City is just a city.
Yeah.
You
hear that?
Nganana is just a small boy.
Yeah.
He just needed ukumentari walapo.
Yeah.
I think today he has learned his lesson. Before ngizocala lapho Prami.
Sure.
Nginomlando.
Uthi?
Ngithenga ikipa Prami. So angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So angithenga ikipa ezithu yabona.
Sure.
So bengifuna ama-Grootman because nokunabantu bebhizi baskena ikipa yabona ngithi before ngisigcoka lamajita lawo ukuskena because nokunamajita baskenayo bathi bakuthola ugcoka ifake eskipa uyabanjwa yabona. So I was here, I wanted an approval
from them before
ngisigcoka Brian bathi ukuthi ori so angazi ukuthi ungabiza laba baskenayo ngathi lo ngimbona Brian ngicela uzongiskenela lapho jo ngicela uzongiskenela Brian
sipi ikena
ngicela ikene ikipa because ngisaba ukugcoka Brian ukubanjwa Brian ukubanjwa so akuthibi khosi khopela unskenele khosi akuthibi uri kuyona uri byang and then if asiyizo awuskene uthemba ngicela uskenele zona Brian before ngisigcoka yabo alright nebe ngithi ngindlulise and then shothi next game ngizaza ngisigcokile ngizahlubula lesi as long as ninga-approve bafowethu ngiyabonga
ngoba bebaquestiona lesa ngithi tweet
akunokuthi ungaziquestiona lesi
sekathulile manje
akunokuthi ungaziquestiona lesi mara mina sibonga
before kitsamaya ukila bona Pirates etina goldini. What happened?
We are the gold champions, Sagarautiaga.
We are the
gold champions. We are the
number two. Rest. Jesse Aruna old school. Jesse Aruna old school. Copy and paste. We are golden black. I started today. Season never came to gold.
Sasa lo muntu odliwa lo. Diamond of the match.
Oh, no, I'm going to go diamond of the match. Today, the game. I think I was not impressed the way winning a corner Prime. I think Wadu is underestimating. He just undermine Orlando Pirates, the bench.
Sure.
I'm not surprised why the TD came to the dressing room. If you watch the episode, the TD came to the dressing room. Now we want to why TD and get to the dressing room. Because of Lentolesi, we should have wrapped the game early on. It's Durban City, just a city, Teguini, Saswima, La Pan. I don't understand my shot. I think the coach should have overloaded the midfield. Similarly came. The substitution of Apolis, I was not happy. I don't know what to keep on Apolis. Apolis is one player.
Special.
Bona, even though kwenzakalani,
Yeah.
you must just keep him in the field.
All the time.
You know ukuthi angakenzela
Something,
i-miracle.
yeah.
Yangithola?
Something, yeah.
But overall,
Yeah.
the players that were playing today,
Sure.
I was really impressed ngabo, but i-game overall ngayo mina ukuya ngami ngijabule because of the coach ama-substitution wakhe mfowethu ayasibulala.
Yeah.
The momentum of the game, the strategy leli sibekazidlala namuhla, I don't think ukuthi maybe ngasimisela ukuthi siwin i-game.
Yeah.
But we shall see ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani to the next level esiya kuyo.
Sure.
And then before ngiceda, I would like to say congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Tomorrow they're going to win.
Yeah.
Ngithi ngikutshela future.
They're going to win?
Yeah.
Against the Arrows?
Arrows.
Why?
Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow is going to win.
Why?
No, I'm telling you.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
Ngiyakuthola.
Tomorrow, Kaizer Chiefs is going to win.
And go to the next round.
Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Forward.
Yeah.
My man of the match today,
Yeah.
it's Tito.
Yeah.
Ball distribution, ball control.
Top.
The boy was up to date today. I think it is out of this world. And then people must stop criticizing Umbutumo.
Yeah.
The boy needs time.
Yes.
Ufuna ukuthi simphe isikhathi ukuthi akhona ukuba neplatform akhona ukuthi adlale kahle ibhola esilifunayo. Udanson, he played very well namuhla.
Sure.
I think he should be given more time. So overall, we are cool. Sibongele wonke amabhakani azile stadium azosupporta.
Sure.
And then we'll see you next game ngolosithathu if I'm not mistaken.
Thank you, T.
Peace.
Thank you, T. 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 See you, somebody.